Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, players. In this video, I will explain how to play Feed Your Pet, a fun simulation game. Your primary objective is to nurture and evolve your virtual companion. By consistently feeding your pet, you will help it gain experience and level up, which in turn earns you valuable in-game cash. As your pet progresses through various stages, you will notice exciting visual transformations, making your journey even more rewarding. Let's dive into the mechanics. To keep your pet well fed, you first need to acquire food. Vegetables are the main sustenance, produced by harvesters on your farm. You can manually generate food, for example, by tapping a red button 5 times to create a carrot. Once produced, press the E key to pick it up, then use number keys 1 through 0 to equip it. Any additional produce you collect will automatically go into your inventory, accessible via the bag icon. Now that you have food, let's talk about feeding your pet. First, select the vegetable you wish to give from your quick select slots. Then, simply approach your pet and click on it to feed. It's important to note that not all foods are equal. Different types and sizes of vegetables will yield varying amounts of experience points and cash. Strategic feeding can significantly boost your pet's growth and help you progress more efficiently in the game. The rewards for diligently feeding your pet are substantial. Each meal contributes to its experience points, driving its evolution. You'll also earn cash, typically displayed in the bottom left corner of your screen. This cash is vital for expanding your farm by building and upgrading harvesters, which in turn produce food more quickly. Most excitingly, you'll witness your pet grow larger and undergo distinct visual transformations as it achieves higher levels, showcasing your dedication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.